Dear friends, welcome to my video on how to tap into your spirituality, a step-by-step guide. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Tapping into your spirituality can be a transformative journey, bringing peace, purpose, and deeper meaning to your life. Whether you're searching for personal growth, inner balance, or a connection to something greater, spirituality offers a path for reflection and enlightenment. Here's how you can begin your spiritual journey. Number 1. Set clear intentions. The first step in tapping into your spirituality is setting clear intentions. Ask yourself why you're seeking a spiritual connection. Is it to find peace, understand your purpose, or to connect with a higher power? By identifying your intentions, you create a focused mindset that guides your spiritual exploration. Number 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for spiritual growth. By practicing mindfulness, you become more aware of the present moment, shedding worries about the past or future. Meditation goes a step further by helping you quiet the mind, enabling you to tap into a deeper sense of inner peace and spiritual awareness. Start with 5 to 10 minutes a day and gradually increase your time. There are many apps and YouTube guided meditations available to assist you. Step 3. Explore nature. Spending time in nature can be a deeply spiritual experience. Whether it's walking through a forest, sitting by the ocean, or stargazing, nature offers a sense of wonder and connection to the universe. It's a place where you can feel grounded, clear your mind, and reflect on your place in the world. Even a simple walk in the park can give you a new perspective and a sense of peace. Step 4. Embrace gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful spiritual practice. By focusing on what you're grateful for, you shift your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. Keep a gratitude journal, noting 3 things you're thankful for each day. This simple act helps open your heart and aligns you with the positive energy of the universe. Step 5. Connect with others on the same path. Connecting with like-minded people can accelerate your spiritual growth. Join spiritual communities, whether in person or online, such as forums or YouTube channels focused on spirituality. Engaging in conversations and sharing experiences with others allows you to gain new insights and feel supported on your journey. Step 6. Trust the process. Spiritual growth is a lifelong journey. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so trust that your path will unfold as it should. Be patient with yourself, and embrace the journey with an open heart. By following these steps, you'll begin to tap into your spirituality and unlock the deeper wisdom and peace that lies within. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.